Welcome to IMS channel King. Today topic Maths first year syllabus 1B Transformation of Axis chapter 2 Access 2A problems section 2 second problem. When the axes are rotated through an angle 45 degrees, the transformed equation of a curve is 17x square minus 16xy plus 17y square is equal to 25. Find the original equation of the curve. Solution. Here already we know that the table small x, small y, capital X, capital Y. Here cos theta, here d by dx of cos theta value is minus sin theta. So here minus sin theta, here value is sin theta, here value is cos theta. Okay. So given transformed equation is transformed nothing but new. So new coordinate axis can be expressed with capital letters. So given equation is 17 into capital X square minus 16 into capital X capital Y plus 17 into capital Y square is equal to 25. Here capital X is equal to formula is small x into cos theta plus small y into sin theta. Small x into cos theta plus small y into sin theta. Next, capital Y is equal to formula is plus into minus minus x into sin theta minus small x into sin theta plus small y into cos theta. Already in this given data, angle value is 45 degrees. So theta is equal to how much? 45 degrees. Theta is equal 45 degrees. Now here capital X is equal x into theta is equal to 45 degrees. So cos 45 degrees. Here y into sin 45 degrees. Capital X is equal small x into cos 45 degrees is 1 by square root of 2 plus y into sin 45 degrees value also 1 by square root of 2. So capital X is equal to value is small x plus small y by square root of 2. Next here capital Y is equal to minus x into sin 45 degrees plus small y into cos 45 degrees. Already we know that sin 45 degrees value is 1 by square root of 2. Y into cos 45 degrees also we know that 1 by square root of 2. So here capital Y is equal to value is minus x plus small y by square root of 2. This is capital Y value. Here find the original equation of the curve. So here original equation is so in this capital X given transformed equation, capital X is replacing by small x plus small y by square root of 2 whole square minus 16 into, in this transformed equation capital X is replacing by small x plus small y by square root of 2. Capital Y is replacing by minus small x plus small y by square root of 2 plus 17 into capital Y is replacing by small x plus small y by square root of 2 whole square is equal to 25. So here 17 of numerator value x plus y whole square, here using a plus b whole square formula. Here value is x square plus y square plus 2xy by denominator value is square root of 2 whole square value is 2 minus 16 of x plus y into minus x plus y. Here using the formula a plus b into a minus b. Here value is y square minus x square upon square root of 2 into square root of 2, value is 2, plus 17 of, here also using the formula a minus b whole square, that value is x square plus y square minus 2xy by 2 is equal to 25. So here LCM value is 2. In this LHS, LCM value is 2. Numerator value is 17 into x square, 17x square. 17 into y square value is 17y square. 17 is multiplied with 2xy, that value is 34xy. Minus 16 into y square value is minus 16y square. Minus into minus plus 16 into x square value is 16x square. Plus 17 into x square value is 17x square. Plus 17 into y square value is 17y square. Minus 17 2s are 34. 34 into xy is equal to 25. Clearly here minus 34xy plus 34xy cancelled. We get the remaining value 17x square plus 17x square value is 34x square. 34x square plus 16x square value is 50x square. 17y square minus 16y square value is y square. Y square plus 17y square value is 18y square is equal to 225 into 2 value is 450. So in this LHS, now take the common value 2. 2 of 25x square plus 9y square is equal to 450. Here 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 2 2s are 2 5s are. So the original equation is 25x square plus 9y square is equal to 225. 225. Next question. Second video, third one. When the axes are rotated through an angle alpha, find the transformed equation of x into cos alpha plus y into sin alpha is equal p. So given original equation is small x into cos alpha plus small y into sin alpha is equal to p. Here angle value is alpha. Angle value is denoted by theta. So theta is equal to alpha. We know that the formula small x is equal to capital X into cos theta minus capital Y into sin theta. But theta is equal to value is alpha. So x into cos alpha minus capital Y into sin alpha. Next, small y is equal to, formula is capital X into sin theta plus capital Y into cos theta. So small y is equal to capital X into theta value is alpha, so sin alpha, capital Y into theta value is alpha, so small y is equal to capital X into sin alpha plus y into cos alpha. The required transformed equation is so in this original equation small x is replacing by capital X into cos alpha minus capital Y into sin alpha of cos alpha plus small y is replacing by capital X into sin alpha plus capital Y into cos alpha of sin alpha is equal to p. So this term is multiplied with cos alpha. X into cos alpha is multiplied with cos alpha value is x into cos square alpha minus y into sin alpha is multiplied with cos alpha value is minus y into sin alpha into cos alpha plus x into sin alpha is multiplied with sin alpha, that value is x into sin square alpha plus y into cos alpha is multiplied with sin alpha value is y into sin alpha into cos alpha is equal to p. Clearly here minus y into sin alpha into cos alpha plus y into sin alpha into cos alpha now get cancelled. We get the remaining value x into cos square alpha plus x into sin square alpha is equal to p. So here now take the common value x. We get the value sin square alpha plus cos square alpha is equal to p. We know that sin square alpha plus cos square alpha value is 1. Value is 1. So x into 1 is equal to p. X is equal to p. Therefore the transformed equation is x is equal to p. Thank you.